Hi everyone, brief update, and then I want to share 2 subscription boxes. I'm doing better. It's slow, but I am doing better. I am doing physical therapy 2 hours a day, 3 days a week. It's getting better. I can walk without the walker now. I do still have some balance issues, but it's getting better. I can use the left hand some, but it is still very numb and ice cold. If the ice cold feeling would go away, I would be really happy. You know, living in Florida, you would think I would really love this ice cold feeling, but no, not so much. It's too cold. Anyway, I found out what's happened with my throat. Apparently I'd had a previous stroke. Well, I knew I had a small stroke back, I guess it was 3 years ago, but they said it didn't leave any permanent damage. Well, it did. My vocal cord on the left side does not close all the way, and that is what changes the tone of my voice, and you know how I'll be talking and all of a sudden my voice constantly gets deeper, or I lose the ability to speak. It is from that. So I am doing some practice exercises with my voice as well. So I don't really have a lot of time to craft right now. I'm doing a little bit of tags and stuff just to build up ephemera packs. Actually, just to use stuff up and to try to force myself to stay creating something, anything. I showed you my subscription boxes off of Amazon a month ago, and I canceled both of those because it was paper crafting, and the last thing I need is paper. But I did keep these 2, and I wanted to see what it was, and they are both Annie's. This one is Annie's Creative Woman Kit of the Month Club, and this one is Annie's Farmhouse Kit Club, and they are both on Amazon. And what you do is you bill it to your Amazon account every month, and they just automatically send it. I love both of these. I am going to make these. Slow going, but I'm going to make them. And it's funny because this one is this little tier shelf, and it comes with everything you need. I'm not going to use the colors that they're giving because it won't match. So what I'm going to use it for is to put my spices all around on it. And I'll probably put like some little chickens and roosters, decoupage in here. I don't think I put them on the outside because it's a scalloped edge. But it's pretty cool because if you look over here, on this one, they have painted one of those things as well as using it for a large candle holder. So I could go that route as well. But this one is the Creative Woman, and it's flower market magnets. And they're wood. And they give you everything you need to paint them. Put your decals on them and your magnets. And you could do it on a magnetic board. I probably won't. I do have a magnetic board, but I don't know. I'm on the fence of whether or not I want to move this out of the craft room and into the kitchen, or if I want to make some of these magnets for the craft room and some of them for the kitchen. I'm still on the fence with this one. This one I think I want to make first, simply because I want to redo my kitchen as soon as humanly possible. And my theme in there is going to be roosters and chickens. So, a dear friend of mine, a very, very gifted crafter and artist, suggested that I just do what I can and put it to music. And because of the problems with the voice right now and the difficulty in speaking, what I'm thinking of doing is put them in segments and then join them together, because I still have issues with remembering what words comes next. I still have some speech problems, So if I can do some videos, they'll probably go to music, some of them. So, yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I'm not giving up. I'm still fighting. And I'm going to keep going. So I hope you stick around and hang in there with me. And there'll be all kinds of new crafting things coming up that I just think it's time for me to go back to my roots and do what I really, really, really love, more so than what you see 9 million videos of everybody else is doing too. So, yeah, we'll see. Just hang in there. Don't give up on me. I will be back. Love you guys. Bye.